Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to turn on earthquake alerts on Android. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. The Settings app is your gateway to all the important configurations of your device. Step 2. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you locate the Safety and Emergency option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, within the Safety and Emergency settings, look for the Earthquake Alerts option. Tap on it to open the settings. Step 4. You should now see the option to disable earthquake alerts on your screen. Step 5. Finally, tap the toggle to turn on earthquake alerts. This ensures you receive timely alerts about earthquakes in your area. And that's it. You've successfully turned on earthquake alerts on Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.